Hello and welcome to the Isle of Arran once again. The place I'm today is I'm in Dyemill Forest, and a new feature in Dyemill Forest. There's a new bike track and there's also a pump track as well. So there's one blue grade sort of flow line, and we're looking at that, and there's also a red grade trail, some tech features on it, and there's also there's a jump line, red jump line as well, so we'll be having a look at that too. Little shit. Really nice berms, really enjoying this. Hey, easy done. So that's pretty much the end of my day at Dyemill Bike Park. Overall, I found the trails to be really good, very sort of flowy, quite very fast. A couple of good features. The jump line is really good. Didn't jump very high, but you know. Other than that, I mean, the red features of the trail, again, very fast, steeper than the blue trail, which was really good, fantastic berms on it. And the red features were really, you know, there's a couple of, so one drop off and a couple of rock gardens to negotiate around going downhill. It was pretty good. No, overall, excellent trails, great fun, and highly recommend.